What's up? Me and my buddy Luke got some guitars that we've been playing, and got this at a yard sale. And this isn't about guitars, this is about the amp we got for free. So this is a Fender amp, Pro185. Let's call it a vintage amp. It's kind of old, it's got some age on it. Looks like I had to blow it out with the leaf blower to get some dust out. All that to say, when we get in here and we start messing with stuff, the volume down here is very touchy. So when we turn it, well, it's not too bad, but this reverb button here does that. And the volumes, most of the volumes are very, very scratchy. I'm gonna try to get into this thing. Let's turn it off. Don't forget to unplug that. Electronics of these things are located underneath this top section here. So here's the transformer you can kind of see. And then before you move this thing, you need to make sure all these wires get disconnected so you don't pull them or break them when you pull them out. So this is how the speakers are connected. You can see the speaker wire is carrying the signal here, and it's hitting this speaker, and it's jumping over to here. So it's a good idea to go ahead and take a picture of this so you don't forget how it's done. So the red one's on the left, and yeah, it's just an RCA cable. Looks like it's from ancient times. These are just spade terminals, so be careful and gentle with these. Okay, done. The whole time you're doing this, you're going to want to support the bottom here because this thing is heavy. This one's just got 4 screws. 4 screws! Alright. It does seem like it's still hanging on by something. And sliding this thing out, you can kind of see from the front, it all comes out as one giant piece. And set it where you can get to it. And remember, you're going to have a wire coming out the bottom there, so just look out for that. And that feeds your main transformer, as you can see here, after it goes to the power switch as shown here. So just watch out for these when you're moving it around so you don't pull them. First thing we're going to do is hit it with some compressed air to get any dust out of here. Not too dusty. So the next thing we're using is this stuff called electronic cleaner. Safe, plastic safe, contact failure, preventative. You see these little potentiometers have little holes? I'm going to try to hit each hole with this stuff. So the one that was a problem for us was this one. We're just going to do all of them, but we're going to do this one first. You spray it, and then you want to work those knobs because what you're trying to do is lubricate and clean out that inside. Another thing you do is pull the knob off, just like that, and you might want to hit the front of it with that stuff too. And it feels a lot less scratchy already. Like I can feel it not going bump, 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 bump. So I think it's working. I'm also just gonna take a rag and wipe this out. Oh yeah, it's turning a lot better. This back circuit board seems alright to me for the most part. It doesn't seem very dirty. So I'm just gonna do the pots. I mean, I guess you could technically spray this stuff everywhere, but I'm just gonna do these knobs. And I'm just gonna tell you, this part was really fun. I just went ahead and sprayed all those pots down. It's really satisfying, actually.
on the back sides here. And then I also just went ahead and did the front, using a little rag to kind of block some of the spray. Also, you need to make sure to do this in a ventilated area. Set up a fan on the window beside me because stuff is very strong. They start off really resistive and then they kind of speed up as they loosen up.
It starts off really. You want to try one? These knobs were so nasty. We just took some Dawn soap and cleaned them off. And now they look much better. And make sure they're dry on the inside. You don't want to stick water back on there, that little hole there. And once I cleaned it, you could see an R right there. Do you see it? Hold on. Someone wrote an R and a B. For red and black, you can actually see what this thing looks like now. Ooh, because we messed with all the knobs. Let's just turn everything down. All right, we'll see. It's more consistent. It's not jumping. No crackles. Do you hear it?
Yeah.
I mean, that's the noises, but I hear a little bit. But it is much better than it was. It's not like it's jumping all over the place.
And we're done. I call that a win. We got it working and it doesn't sound half bad. It's all cleaned up and now we can practice some jamming skills. So until next time, this is Josh saying, get out there and go do some stuff.